previous video, I said I was going to try some Dutch cheese, and the good thing about this cheese is that they are being named after the cities. So you also get the chance to know some cities in the Netherlands. Hey lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. This is another fun video, and if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. If you're a new subscriber, you're also welcome, and I'm so loved by you right now, so thank you so much for being here. If you've been following me, you've seen my Living in the Netherlands series I started lately. In my previous video, I talked about the Dutch open market, and I compared it a little bit with the one we used to have in Nigeria, which is totally different. The Friday market, how it is usually done in the Netherlands. And also today I am going to be sharing with you guys the Dutch cheese. How excited is that? But before we start, let me give you a little bit of intro about the Dutch cheese. Okay, what you need to know about the Dutch cheese: the Dutch are well known for the Gouda cheese. That's the most popular cheese in the Netherlands and also all around the world. Whenever you're eating your cheese, wherever city you're watching from, wherever country you're watching from, you could be eating Netherlands cheese. The name Gouda is used today as a general term to produce traditional cheese in the Netherlands. So because it's the most popular, it's well known all around the world, they use it to produce other traditional cheese in the Netherlands. We are not trying the Gouda cheese today. We are going to try 4 different Dutch cheese from 4 different popular cities in the Netherlands. This was how I bought the cheese. I decided to cut them out in blocks so it's easier for me to try out. So let's just get right into it. In front of me, I have the cheese. There's a water in front of me just in case it's not working for me, okay? I'm just going to call the city out first. That's the exciting part. You can just call a city and pick a cheese. How cool is that? In the Netherlands, it's not called cheese. It is called kaas. I hope I pronounced that correctly. This cheese, I have never tried them before. I'm going to try them today with you guys. And the first cheese I'm going to be trying is the old Amsterdam cheese. I don't know if you can see that. And that's the price right there. So this cheese cost me €4.04. That's how expensive it is. The cheese in the Netherlands are very expensive, guys. You don't want to dare play with them. Like, they don't play with their cheese, so it is expensive. So the old Amsterdam cheese is well known for the rich flavor. I already cut them out in blocks, so I'm just going to try it out. It does have a strong flavor, to be honest, and it is very hard. It is very hard. It doesn't taste that bad. Normally, if I want to eat cheese, I will eat it with bread. This is nice. I can definitely eat this. The second cheese I'll be trying is the Brabant Blauwouder. Hope it's well pronounced, guys. Otherwise, leave a comment in the comment section and correct me. I heard that the Brabant Blauwouder is well known for the slight spicy and soft in taste. So we're going to try that out to be sure if it's really spicy or if it's soft in taste. Smells weird. Left for me, guys. I wouldn't eat this. It is soft in taste. I don't see any spiciness in there, but it just tastes weird. This is not for me, okay? The Brabant Blauwouder is not for me. This cheese, why I'm so excited about it is because it is made in the city where I live. So it is called Utrecht Rood. I never tried it before. It looks soft. It looks creamy, but we're going to try it together and see how it tastes. It is said to be very soft and spicy. Again, I hope this better be spicy, because you know me, African, I love spicy. Anything spicy works. So let's try this and see how it tastes. Something about this cheese. It is soft. Still not spicy. But the good part about it is that I like it. So guys, the last cheese we're going to be trying today is the Rotterdam Ouder limited edition. That is what is written on it. I don't know what is limited in that edition, but it's similar to the old Amsterdam cheese. Rotterdam Ouder has aged 3 years before it's been sold, so they leave it somewhere to age for 3 years and then they bring it out to sell it. If you cut the cheese, it has more crumbs than the others. The others are more firm. We're going to be trying out this Rotterdam Ouder and see how it tastes like. The Rotterdam Ouder is even way stronger than the old Amsterdam. I think it's because it was left for 3 years. Like, even after chewing it, I still feel all the strongness in my mouth. These are all nice cheese. They are very tasty. You just have to eat what works for you. And the ones that really worked for me, the ones that I really do like, is the Utrecht Road, the old Amsterdam. I like this because I could just eat it. So this is from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. Comment in the comment section, tell me what you want to see, tell me what city you want me to visit, tell me what you want me to show you, and I'll do my best to deliver it, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you right in my next video living in the Netherlands. Bye guys. This person in the person. What was that?